I'm out of breath. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're gonna be doing a day in my life. So right now I'm in my car warming up my car to go to the gym. A typical Tuesday for me would be gym in the morning, then do errands, make a little bit of extra money on the side. So it is winter where I'm at and it's like super cold. So right now I'm warming my car up so I could go to the gym. It's currently 8:10 a.m. So yeah, I'm gonna head to the gym now and I'll keep you guys updated. I'll get back with you guys when I get there. Like, I swear they'd be dumb. They know I'm coming. They really know that they could have gone before you came down on them, and they literally just go like right before you get there. Like, that shit is annoying. Yes, this is so not easy. I am out of shape. Very out of shape. Bruh.
She said, okay, sugar.
Hey guys, so I'm back. I'm probably the worst day in the life vlogger ever, but I'm back. I'm actually here at the waxing studio. I'm about to go get my waxing done. Hopefully I can like record a little bit, but yeah. So I'm gonna get my waxing done, and then after my waxing I'm gonna run some errands. Yeah, just run some errands, and then I'm out of breath. So I'm gonna run some errands and then I'll be back on the road to get my hair done. As you can see, looking kind of busted. I think I said that this morning. But yeah guys, so I'm heading up to the studio now. I'm a little bit early just because I know there are like forms and stuff that you usually fill out before you get your waxing done. Kind of want to get it out of the way earlier too. So yeah, I'm at the studio. I'm about to get that done. I might get my lashes done, I'm not sure. I'm kind of like stuck in between because I'm gonna be with my friend for her birthday on the weekend, so I might just wait until like Thursday or closer down, as I had mentioned before. I don't know if I mentioned it, but yeah, so that's what I'm about to do now. So I'll catch you guys in a few. I'm acting like it's my first couple years.
Feels like good.
Right, like every time.
But just
Every time feels like the first time. And you're Destiny, right?
Yes.
Destiny, okay. Okay.
Construction, I don't know if people construction.
Yeah, I think they are. I seen some guys like walking around. I think they're doing a little bit of construction out there.
So do you plan on staying in Delaware?
For a while, yeah. For a while. I finished school this year in December. So I'm gonna stay here for a little bit just because forensic jobs are, just in case I don't decide to do the army, there's a lot of opportunities for like forensic jobs here rather than where I came from, North Carolina. So I would stay here to get some experience for that. But I know my mom, she's moving to Georgia soon, and I always wanted to go to live in Georgia because it's close to Atlanta, you know, the nightlife, all that. So I might just stay here for probably like 2 years or 3 years and then go down there. But yeah, I'm gonna be here for a while. Hello, could I have 2 4-piece chicken and strips? One meal, and then the other one just the entree. Yeah, that'll be all. Thank you.
You need to go. You dumbass. Oh, who's so stupid?
That is crazy.
You ever try Polynesian sauce?
Too sweet.
Really? But we're not taking sanitize with onion.
I prefer the sriracha. Sriracha, my heart.
Sriracha. We never tried that one before.
That one they have the spice in there. That's spicy. More interesting for me. When
Thank you. Thank you. You have a good one. You can probably take out the hand sanitizer bottle there because I think it's empty.
hold this thing. Alright. Oh yeah, but on this one.
Yeah. Start away.
I think right now so you have your boat this way, but
And then go back.
and
Stop
so we go better so far.
No,
Oh.
that's what I have. I stop sign.
Oh.
Stop sign there. That's the one that the Monday dot come.
Okay, because I say you don't have to make one.
U-turn. You can't. I think U-turn.
Illegal, right?
Okay guys, so I ended up getting their strips. Ignore my nails please. So I got chicken strips. This is not sponsored. Chicken strips, and I got a grande white mocha and some fries, period. So now I'm about to eat, and then I'm going to go get my hair done. So next up is the hair salon. So I just pulled up to the salon. I'm about to go get my hair done. Period poo. So I'll keep you guys updated. The hair. My hang time. My hang time.
They got my hang time. And I can put it in a bun.
So I am under the dryer. They do like a treatment every time I come to do my hair here. they treat your hair, so they do like a steam treatment. So that's what I'm getting done right now. Hey guys, so I'm back and my hair is done. I was supposed to deliver packages with Amazon, but I missed my time, so I'm not able to deliver. So for the rest of the day, I'll fill you guys in with what I'll be doing today. So just stay tuned. Guys, I'm a walking dead. Not in an accident.